Hello guys, I'm Ramon from Spotahome, Barcelona. Today we're in Carrer de Jacint in the neighborhood of El Born, very close to the heart of Barcelona. I'm showing you this nice flat with one room for rent. Let's take a look. Okay, so entrance here. We have the main corridor here to the room, bathroom, and then the kitchen and living area. The room has a double bed, nice wardrobe here with mirror, shelving there with the two two lamps in the shelving. There's the AC unit over there, and this window to the intern area, like the stairs, such. Moving on, we have heater over here, laundry area over here with some storage space, hangers over here, and the bathroom with the toilet, sink, mirror, and shower over here. Okay, of course you have the storage space as well. Okay. Moving on, there's kitchen and living room. We have a dishwasher over here, sink, oven, 3 electrical stoves, microwave, the coffee maker, the water jar, with the filter, toaster, and of course lots of storage space and all the stuff you would need. Freezer and fridge over here as well, and this nice integration with the living room, in which we have this round table for 4, couch over there, 2 benches over here too. There's the drawers, that furniture there with the TV, the AC unit here as well, okay, and heater, and a balcony here too, okay, with the view of the famous narrow streets of Barcelona. Okay, then let me show you this angle here. This is a nice angle as well. The whole flat here.